Solving a quadratic equation. So, is this a quadratic equation? Good question. It's an equation, yes, because I see an equal sign. But is it quadratic? Quadratic means squared, right? But that has a 3. Is it a quadratic equation? I'm not sure. Let's follow the steps and let's see what happens. Step 1, set it equal to 0. Does it equal 0? Why, yes, it does. Step 1, done. Step 2, factor completely. Okay, first step in factoring. Make sure it's in order. This one is in descending order, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, good. Next step in factoring, take out a GCF. Does this have a GCF? Is there a greatest common factor of all 3 of these terms? Why, yes, there is. It's an x. Let's go ahead, let's take that x out. We're going to divide that x, factor it out, bring it out in front. Let's see what's left over. X squared minus 10x plus 16, drop down my equals 0. Okay, is it factored completely? No, it's not. Now I see that I do have a trinomial, and I'm going to factor that. Okay, this x just drops down right here. And now this is leading coefficient of 1. This is what I call an easy 1. I go straight to my 2 binomials. And I need to fill in these 4 green blanks. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know that the first 2 are going to give me x squared. So it is x and x. And I know that the last 2 need to multiply to give me 16. So let's list all of our possibilities. Well, it could be 1 and 16. It could be 2 and 8. Or it could be 4 and 4. Which one of these groups will give me 10? You got it. 2 and 8. So I know I'm going to have a 2 and an 8, right? I added those. Plus means I'm adding. 2 plus 8 is 10. Now, this plus tells me that both of my signs are the same. And I need to look here to find out that they're both minus. So it's going to be x minus 2 and x minus 8. Okay, now this is factored completely. Step 3, set every factor equal to 0. All right. This is a factor. That's 1, 2, and 3. I have 3 factors. I'm going to set all 3 of them equal to 0. So, x equals 0. X minus 2 equals 0. And x minus 8 equals 0. Step 3, done. Step 4, solve all linear equations. I have 3 of them here. This one is already solved for, x equals 0. That's one of my answers. Don't forget this one. Here, let me put a bold box so you don't forget that one. Solve this one. Add 2 to both sides, plus 2, plus 2. X equals 0 plus 2 is 2. That's one of my answers. Let's solve this one. Get the x by itself, add 8 to both sides, plus 8 on the left, plus 8 on the right. These cancel. X equals, what's 0 plus 8? 8. I have 3 answers. X equals 0, 2, and 8. Hey, 3 answers. You know, it's kind of funny. When I started this problem, the degree was a 3.